Okay, today we are going to solve some questions regarding the alkaline earth metals. Already everybody got the questions with you. These are the 25 questions answers, and I will be giving you explanation. Okay, so you can get these questions in the comment section also. Okay, so let's see the first question. First question is BeH2 obtained by. This in our preparation of the compounds of alkaline earth metals, hydrides, beryllium beryllium due to its anomalous behavior, its hydride cannot be prepared directly. Other hydrides can be prepared directly, but beryllium hydride cannot be prepared directly. So how it is prepared? Question is about BeH2 is obtained by. Question is about what? BeH2 is obtained by. So actually it is prepared by reducing the beryllium chloride with lithium aluminium hydride. Okay. So this question and answer, question and options you will get it in the description box link you will get. Okay, you can solve it afterwards also. So already if you have solved, then it is well nice. Okay. So first question answer is 3. What is the question and what is the answer? Is that clear to all of you? How BH2 is prepared by reducing the beryllium chloride with lithium aluminium hydride. Third option is correct. Now coming to the second question, the conversion of plaster of Paris into hard solid involves all of the following except. Okay, so the question is about once it is plaster of Paris is converted into hard solid, then which of the following will not be possible or will not happen. Okay, actually there will be increase in volume while you are setting up the plaster of Paris into hard mass. That time volume will be increasing, but in the fourth option in the fourth option you find that mass shrinks and becomes hard. What is the fourth option given? Mass shrinks. So that shrinking word is wrong. That will not happen. That it should be swells. Okay. And becomes hard is okay. So second question, fourth option is correct. What was the wrong with the fourth option? It should not be shrink. It should be hard. Okay. Sorry. Swelling. Okay. Next, a good quality of the cement, the mass ratio of silica SiO2 to Al2O3. This is simply memory based, and answer to this question is 5 to 10. Okay. So for a good cement, silica is required. Apart from the silica, alumina is also required for better quality. For better quality, the ratio must be between 5 to 10. What should be the answer? Sorry. 2.5 to 4. Okay. What is the answer? 2.5 to 4. The ratio should be 1:4 or 2.5 to 4 ratio. Then coming to the next question, coordination number of beryllium in solid BeCl2. In solid BeCl2, what happens? Due to this is the structure. In solid BeCl2, there will be polymer. Okay. So like in polymer, each beryllium is connected to how many chlorine? 4 chlorine it is connected. That's why its coordination number is equal to 4. In solid state, BeCl2, what it exists? It exists as a polymer, and this is the structure. Therefore, coordination number is 4. And the answer given here it is in the first option you are given with 4. That's why fourth question, first option is correct. Okay. Then which of the following anhydrous chloride not obtained by direct heating? Not obtained direct heating. So magnesium chloride, and it was clearly told every time this type of question comes, but change will be there. In the video lecture, I told you if a directly trying, it will form hydroxide. That's why we will flow which chloride? Dry hydrogen chloride we have to use. Current of dry HCl we have to use, then it will form. So that's why third option. Third option is what? Magnesium chloride. MgCl2 we cannot prepare. Okay. Next, sixth question. The correct statement regarding the beryllium and its compounds are. You have to tell correct statement. Okay. Four statements are given. They are not options. Options are further given. First statement is dilute HNO3 do not react with metal. That is beryllium. Okay, here whatever they say metal, that means it is about the beryllium, because all the statements are about the beryllium only. Okay, first statement I am reading out once again. Dilute HNO3 do not react with the metal because of an oxide layer formation on surface. Whether it is correct or not, you have to select, the options will be given. Second, hydration energy of Be2 plus and F minus are greater than lattice energy. So this we will study in the solubility. Once if we say it is soluble, that means hydration energy is more. If you say insoluble, that means lattice energy is more. Okay. So indirect question it is. And third answer is, C option is BH2 and BeCl2 exist as polymer. And fourth option is H2 gas is liberated when beryllium is boiled with caustic soda solution. So these are the four options, out of which how many of them are correct? Option 1, A and B are correct. Option 2, A, B, C are correct. Option 3, B, C, D are correct. Option 4, A, C, D are correct. Okay. So what are the correct statement? B, C, D are correct statement. Therefore, sorry, B, C, D are correct statement. Okay. So B, C, D. Therefore, it is given in the third option. And what is the problem? Dilute HNO3 do not react. It will react. There is no formation of the protective layer. It happens with the magnesium. Okay. So next, coming to the 7th question. MgSO4 on reaction with ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride with ammonium biphosphate forms a white crystalline salt, and the formula of that salt is, what is the formula of that salt? Precipitate. Whatever the formation is there, what are the reactant they have given? They have given the reactants first, ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. This is treated with ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride treated with NaH2PO4. Then the white crystalline solid is formed. The formula of that. Okay. Is there any special name for this? Is there any special name for this? Very good. Answer is NH4PO4. Okay. See how to verify whether it is correct or not. Magnesium charges +2, ammonium charges +1, and you should make sure that NH4 plus must be there and PO4. So answer will be MgNH4PO4. Accordingly, answer first option will be correct. 7th question, first option. Okay. Next, coming to the next question, the correct order of decreasing thermal stability. This is also memory based and already mentioned. Down the group, thermal stability increases, and it was in, I think it is there in my surprise online test also. Okay. Potassium, alkali metals or carbonates are more stable, and down the group thermal stability increases. Therefore, first option is correct. Okay. Next, which of the following hydration energy is higher than lattice energy? Whenever this type of question comes, hydration energy greater than lattice energy, that means you should select the substance which is soluble. This is one of the indirect way. Okay, this is one of the indirect way of asking the solubility. If they say hydration energy more than the lattice energy, that means we have to select a substance which is soluble. Okay. Option A, MgSO4. MgSO4 is soluble. Therefore, that is the correct answer. Therefore, 9th question, or we can say 59th question, it is option 1. Okay. Next, coming to the 10th or 60th question. Like all alkali metals, argon earth metal also dissolved in liquid ammonia. Which of the following is correct? Okay. So during the explanation also I told you there are a lot of similarities between alkaline and alkaline earth metal. Also there are some dissimilarities. Okay. Option 1, magnesium and beryllium show poor reaction. And option 2, the color of the solution. The color of the solution is deep blue or black. And under suitable condition, MnH362 plus can be recovered. These are the 4 statements, and you have to select the correct statement. Okay. Option A, only second statement is correct. And option 2, second and third both are correct statement. 1 and 2 correct statement. Fourth option, all 3 statements are correct. Okay. What is the answer from your side? What is the answer from your side? Which are the correct statement? First statement 1 is beryllium and magnesium poor reaction. Yes, they do not show poor reaction because their ionization energy is very high. Second, color of the solution is deep blue color. That is also correct, and it is hexaammoniates. So all the 3 statements are correct. Therefore, fourth option is correct. Then coming to 11th question, or we can say 61 question, beryllium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide dissolve in NaOH. Okay. So actually beryllium also amphoteric shows the diagonal relationship with the aluminium. That's why they have given this question as a combined question. Okay. Now dissolved in NaOH. Then what are the products found? Options are given. You can check and select it. Okay. See, one thing how to remember this. Beryllium. Beryllium contains only 4. Coordination number will be 4 because it contains what? 2s and 2p. So in 2s and 2p only 4 orbital. So beryllium maximum coordination number will be 4. Okay, so you should make sure that in after the bracket the number displayed must be 4. Okay, so they wanted to check this information you have or not. That's all. Okay, so 2 minus. This must be 4. Cannot be more than 4. Why? Because its valency shell is 2s and 2p. Okay, 2s contains only 1 orbital. 2p contains how many orbitals? 3 orbitals. Therefore, this cannot be more than 4. And if it is 4 minus, beryllium charge is plus 2, you should make sure that it is 2 minus. Okay, how to cross check with the option, is it understood? But in case of the aluminium involves 3s, 3p and 3d also. So maximum coordination number possible will be 6. So therefore it has the facility to use the D. Therefore what you should make sure, this OH should be, it can be 6. Okay. Why it can be 6, is it understood? And what does it, here it is minus 6 and plus 3, it will be minus 3. So charge will be 3 minus. Okay, and there is no chance of the B other options. Is it understood? So according to this explanation, third option is correct. 61 question, third option is correct. Okay, 62 or 12th question, natural CaSO4.2H2O heated to above. This gypsum is very important and temperatures are very important. Okay, then that's why I told you clearly during the explanation also, it is called as a dead burnt sulfur. What sulfur? Dead burnt sulfur. Then 63, all enzymes that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer require dash as a cofactor. Okay, so at this time you may not already this explained in the alkali metals. Okay, there is a biological importance of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. These 4 topics are very important. Cofactor means other than the biomolecule, whatever the inorganic substances are there, they are called as a cofactor. Okay, if you want you can mark it here itself. Cofactor means other than the biological material, like carbohydrate, they are the biological material. when they are combined with the inorganic material like magnesium, they are called as a cofactor. Okay. So this I missed in my classes, that cofactor word I could not use. So you can add to your notes. Okay. Next, a metal M forms water soluble MSO4 and amphoteric metal oxide. Okay. What is the answer? It should be forming the what it should form. Metal M forms the water soluble sulfate also and amphoteric metal oxide also. Okay, beryllium sulfate is soluble and beryllium oxide is amphoteric. Okay, first option. 64th or 14th is first option. The reason which is not related to alkaline earth metal and which gives dipositive instead of unipositive. You can see alkali metal forms only +1, but alkaline earth metal forms only +2. What is the reason? Okay. Options I am reading out. The compounds with +2 oxidation state have more lattice enthalpy. Second, hydrogen energy of +2 is more than +1. +2 oxidation state gives more stable electronic configuration. And fourth one is difference between IE1 and IE2 is very low. Okay. What is the correct answer to fifth question or 15th question? So here we have to select the not related statement. Okay. Fourth statement is not related. Is it understood? So 15th or 16th question, fourth option is not related. Why? It is +2 oxidation state only. Okay. Next. 66th question or 16th question, anhydrous MgCl2 obtained by heating hydrated salt. This so many times I clearly told you. Fourth option, dry HCl. Okay. 17th or 67th. The incorrect option among the given is incorrect option. Incorrect, you have to statement, give the right incorrect option. The order of covalent nature is beryllium, magnesium, down the group decreasing. And option 2, CaH2 is used for dehydration. Option 3, Be2C is methanide. Option 4, density of alkaline earth metal is given. Okay. So highly covalent will be beryllium. Highly covalent will be beryllium and it is correct. So density only the problem is there. 67th question, fourth option. Yes. Our 17th question, fourth option is incorrect. Okay. There is no regular variation. The salt is used as a purgative. The salt which is used as a purgative. What is purgative? Who will tell? Purgative. Purgative means cleaning. Okay. Purgative means cleansing action. Okay. So cleansing action of bowels. Bowels means, I think you know, digestion system. Okay. So by evacuating the bowels, it cleanses. It cleans. Okay. Cleaning of the bowels is called as a purgative. Is it understood? So I could not cover this. So try to add it to your notes. Answer is magnesium sulfate. What is the answer? MgSO4.7H2O. Okay. So, but in the notes it is given. You write it in the classroom notes also. Purgative means cleansing action by evacuation of bowels. Okay. Next, which when milk of lime react with dry HCl, oxidation state of chlorine in products. Both should be product only. Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder will be -1 and +1. This also specifically I told you. Okay. Next, the whatever I am telling you, that will cover around 70% and 20% will be somewhat related, but one or two questions everywhere you will get new questions. So attend the exam and add those points to your notes. Okay. Next, because so many things are there in inorganic, uh, direct questions will be there. Classroom notes 70%. 20% related you should do, like have given solubility order, insoluble, sparingly soluble. But indirectly, what they will ask, hydration energy, lattice energy. Like that, indirect questions you will find 20%. Still, any test paper you take, you will get 10%. Like 2 to 3 questions will be definitely which you never listened. That's why add these points to your notes and attend more number of exams. Okay. Next, coming to the next question, that is about the 70 or 20 question. Okay, which of the following pairs can be distinguished by the product obtained? After the product obtained, how you can distinguish? Okay, then option A, sodium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Option, sorry, statement 2, MgCl2.6H2O, CaCl2.6H2O, calcium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Which of them can be distinguished? That means initially they should appear same, but after the product formation, they should give the different product. Okay, and how many of them are correct? First option is 1 and 2 can be differentiated. Second statement 1, 2, 3 can be differentiated. And third is 1 and 3. Fourth is only 1. Okay. Actually, all of them can be distinguished. Is it understood? Like calcium carbonate and sodium carbonate. What is the difference? Sodium carbonate is soluble in water, calcium carbonate insoluble. So they can be distinguished by the product formed. Likewise, MgCl2 also can be separated, calcium nitrate also can be distinguished. Okay. So 70 answer will be all the three, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that is second option is correct. Now let us do some numerical values question. First question, in the solid state, BH2 exists as X, okay, number of electron and number of atoms Y. Then in solid, BeCl2 bridge M. Okay. See, I will write it so that it should be clarity. There should be clarity in the question. So many things are combined together to give the complicated look. In solid state, BeH2. Okay. BeH2 in solid state. BeH2 in solid state. Each bridge has okay, each bridge has, first of all, X number of electrons each bridge, and Y is number of atoms. Okay, what is Y? Like we write as a 3 center 2 electron bond. So 3 center 3 atoms. Okay, 2 electron. So 2. Is it understood? So Y will be how much? 3. Electrons will be how much? 2. So X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 3. That's why if you know the concept, then only complicated is made like this. Is it understood? Then and in also solid BeCl2. Let us still see about the BeCl2. Okay. In BeCl2, each bridge has m number of electrons and n number of atoms. Okay. Then option is X plus Y plus M plus N. X plus Y plus M plus N. Okay. So in beryllium chloride, each bridge has how many? 3 atoms. What are those 3 atoms? 2 beryllium and 1 chlorine. 3 atoms. But electron will be 4 electron. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and plus 5. So total will be how many? 12 electron. Is that question understood? Okay, next question is how many of the following are less basic than calcium hydroxide? So very simple, down the group basic nature increases. Left to right basic nature decreases. Let us take calcium. Okay. So lithium is somewhere here. So obviously it will be in the above period. Therefore it will be less basic. Okay. Barium is here at the bottom. Therefore it will not be less basic. It is more basic. Okay. Then beryllium is just above. That's why less basic. Magnesium is above but less basic. Ammonium hydroxide is already we have studied in ionic equilibrium also. It is a weak base with Kb is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of -5. And aluminum is on the right side. Therefore, it is less basic. Okay. So less basic 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So number of less basic and values. Is it understood? Note down this. Okay, next question is how many of the following have higher ionic mobility than Be plus 2? Higher ionic mobility than Be plus 2. Okay, so lithium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium. Higher ionic mobility means actually indirectly it is less hydration. Okay, whichever undergoes less hydration, they will have higher ionic mobility. Ionic mobility, how many places you will study? In two places, in aqueous medium and in gaseous medium. Okay, so here you can see aqueous, 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 and aqueous. So everywhere aqueous medium is mentioned. So in the aqueous medium, what you should see? Less hydration, more mobility. Now you compare these two. Which will be having less hydration? Lithium plus 2. Why? Because plus 1 charge. So same happens with the sodium also, plus 1 charge. Same happens with magnesium also, but reason is different. Why this is less hydrated than Be plus 2? Who can say? Why magnesium 2 plus is less hydrated than magnesium? Very good. Size. Size bigger, hydration will be lesser. Okay. Same way calcium 2 plus also size bigger, hydration lesser. This is also having less hydration. So all four will have more mobility, more ionic mobility in aqueous medium. So here another integer question with decimal places also the answer may be, but here gypsum is having some impurities. Okay, so pure gypsum plus impurities. Total mass is how much? 200 grams. Okay, so out of 200 grams, let us take x gram as a gypsum. The impurities will be 200 minus x. Okay, so on heating, they are thermally stable and inert. They will not react with air to form some product. And they gave POP and there is a loss of 27 grams of water molecule. Okay, so if it is pure gypsum, CaSO4 dot 2H2O, after heating, how much, what it will give? CaSO4 dot, tell me what is the formula of gypsum? Sorry, this is about the gypsum. What is the formula of POP dot? How much H2O? What is that word used? What is that word used? Very good. Hemihydrate. What it is? Hemihydrate. Okay. So here we can say that 3 by 2 H2O corresponds to 27 grams. 27 grams. Okay. So with this you can make an equation. 3 by 2 of H2O. Okay. So see, check here once again. 3 by 2 of H2O. So 3 by 2 into H2O mass is 18 grams. If it is liberated, then it is associated with total molecular mass is how much? Total molecular mass, who will say? Total molecular mass with 2H2O. CaSO4 dot 2H2O mass is how much? Is it 172 with the 2H2O? Is it 172 with 2H2O? 96 plus 40 plus 36. Calcium is 40, SO4 is 96 plus 36. It will be how much? 2H2O including 2H2O. 172. Okay. So that means if 3 by 2 H2O is coming out, that means how much it was there? 172 grams. But how much came out? 27 came out. How much will be the mass? Okay. With that X value you will find out. What you will find out? X value. But that is not answer. X divided by 200 into 100. Then you will get how much answer? 86%. 86% is pure. Okay. 3/4 will come. Hemihydrate, na? This will be 3/4. 2H2O will give you 3/2 plus 1/2. It will be 2H2O, I think. Okay, is it understood how to solve this question? Now let us see the next question. 75th or 25th numerical. Okay, answer is 4. This is very simple. 2A. In 2A, they do not exist in the bicarbonate. Okay, and there is one exception with lithium bicarbonate also. So lithium bicarbonate does not exist as a solid, and bicarbonates of 2A cannot exist as a solid. So 3 from the bicarbonate and one from the alkali metal bicarbonate. Okay, so total 4 does not exist in solid state. They found only in aqueous state. That's why answer is what? 4. Okay, what are those 4? Is it understood? Note down. Okay, students, don't forget to download these questions, 25 questions, and make a hard copy. Write your notes on that. Wherever I told you special points, special things, you can note down them. Attending the theory classes, attending the questions, both are important in the inorganic. Okay.